Hey guys, so the Supertrim car seat covers in neoprene have arrived today, and I'm about to undo the packet and fit them on our car seats. Now, first of all, I just want to show you or remind you what the standard Renault car seats look like. Hey, so here we are in Harvey's cabin. Now these standard fitment Renault seats in the Windsor Daintree, these individual seats. Now, as you can tell, there's a multitude of adjustments. So first of all, you have the armrests. They go up and down on each side of the seat, the same as the driver's seat here. Now also you have these little bladders. When you pump those, that increases your lumbar support right there. So as well, you also have the swivel for the seat to spin it round to the cabin. You have the in and out of the squab, so this will come in and out like so. You have on this side, you have the tilt button, so this tilts the whole thing up and down. You have the slide to bring the seat backwards and forwards, and you also have the backrest tilt there. Not to mention the headrests, which are also independent. So there's actually a lot of movement in these seats. So let's try and fit these Supertrim car seat covers and see how well we go. Right, so we've just removed the seat covers from the postage pack. Now, as you can see, this particular one for the Renault, for the Windsor, comes in 3 pieces. You have your headrest, you have your seat squab. So that one has elastic all the way around here, so it should be fairly easy to fit. And then you have the backrest. Now, it does come with some fitting instructions, which was good of them to include them, but I did notice on the invoice there is a message that says that there are some YouTube videos to find on their website in regards to installation, and I've just briefly looked at those, and there's 3. So there's one for the headrest, one for the backrest, and one for the squab. So it should be fairly easy. So I just thought I'd run these through you. It does warn you to say to use the side with the red for the airbags, which is fairly common. Most of them are labelled these days. So yeah, all good. Let's try and get these fitted. Okay, so all done. There's the neoprene Supertrim car seat covers are fitted. Now, the headrest did have to be taken off because it is done independently. The backrest just slid straight over. Now, as you can see down here, there's little Velcro tabs where it joins under here, which leaves the armrest to move completely free for both sides. And then it hasn't, and because this was a separate piece to this, all of your adjustments are still totally usable. Now, I'm not afraid to say that I had a bit of trial and error because I did put it on backwards. As you can see, the squab cover here, when you look at it, it actually does have a hole, and I didn't know what that hole was for, so consequently I put it on backwards and had the hole in there, when really the hole is for this adjustment here, because this is so close to the seat, whereas these ones all move. So therefore, that's the easiest way to figure out the driver's side, because this is actually on the right hand side or on the left hand side in the passenger, so you'll see that the hole is slightly off center to accommodate that. So now we've just got to put the passenger side on, and we're all done. It's all Velcro, so there's nothing to tie up. It just slides on, and these ones elasticated. Easy peasy. Now, just quickly, the headrests go on first. The headrests do come off. They need to come off for them to tie on, but I've just found it's easier to stretch and pull and have them line up properly by actually having them stay on. Oops. First. Then you'll take them off. Can I do it one-handed? No, I can't. Now, we've taken the headrest out and we've managed to pull the cover all the way down. Now, what Supertrim have done is, for shipping purposes, they've actually put protective cloth over the Velcro so they can't get stuck. So consequently, this won't stick to anything. So you have to remember to pull off this before you'll be able to get the Velcro to stick. And there we go. There's both seats done, driver and passenger. on the Renault Master for the Windsor Daintree, the neoprene. Now the base, as I showed you, was purely elastic, so nothing to tie down or to find tags for to pull and tie into. And then there's the backrest. Now again, I think they look fantastic, but they've just come out of the packet, so it does say it needs a couple of days for them to lose any creases or to fit properly. So after a couple of days I'll come back and just readjust all of that Velcro. But yeah, looking fantastic, as you can see. And no pet hair. Exactly. Anyway, so if you're looking for car seat covers for your Windsor Daintree, as in a Renault Master, now it's very hard to find the individual captain's chair seats. You find plenty with the bench or the 1.5 bench and the driver's seat, but not for the 2 passenger seats, especially with the swivel function. So these do have airbag capability. So if you even have a Jayco Conquest RM 20.5, which doesn't have the swivel seats, it does have the airbags. These would also suit as well. Now these are called the ISRI, ISRI car seats, and that's because the type of seating function is called ISRI. So yes, if you're looking for these kind of car seat covers, I highly recommend the Supertrim car seats. Anyway, that's it. Catch you later. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. So you just saw me fit these wonderful car seat covers in neoprene from Supertrim. They also come in canvas, and you also do have the option of back seat pockets as well, or mat pockets as well. Now, after we placed our order, I reached out to Bill at Supertrim. Now, if you mention RV Travelling Husbands or the Windsor Daintree Facebook page, he's willing to knock down the price of embroidery. So yes, you can get these embroidered. You can get 10 characters, so you can either get Windsor or Daintree or Harvey or Duchess or Winnie or whatever you fancy on your seats and get that unique look. They're willing to knock that down to $100. That's for both seats. You do have to mention, as I said, RV Travelling Husbands or the Windsor Daintree Facebook page. It will add 3 weeks to the order though. Now these took 10 days roughly from the time that I paid for them to arrive. So you may be looking at a month or 2, but you should just confirm that with him when you're placing the order, if that's what you want to do. I just thought I'd let you know that that's something that we have tried to obtain for you guys. So yes, anyway, enjoy your travels, keep safe, talk to you soon, bye.